Hello, my name is Dan Valkner, and this is TTORP, which stands for Tabletop Online Role-Playing. Right now the system is basically just comprised of character sheets and campaigns to link those sheets together. The screencast is just to show how the character sheet works at the moment. The current character sheet is based on Dungeons & Dragons 3.5 edition, because that's what I use in my games. It's just a template though. Creating a character sheet for another system is mostly just about making a new template and defining some of those rules. The title of the page is based on the character name right here. So change it to Axelrod Findlespoon. As you can see, as soon as I start changing something, the box turns light blue. When it's updating, it'll turn red, and when it's done, you'll see that it turns yellow. The title of the screen changed, as you can see, right up here. So as you can see, to the updated character name. So there are a couple of fields here that are grayed out. Like the player name, because that's based on your account. Also, the XP is something that I'm working on. You probably couldn't read all that because it's off screen, but whatever, that's okay. Here you can see the class box. Which will eventually be a composite value of all your characters' class levels based on a layering system. So the rest of these boxes are pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, the changes it picks up the changes pretty fast. It doesn't take very long at all to make those changes. There's no save or update button. It just updates itself. Oops. Wait. A little bit of a bug. If you change the value to what it was, it will show that it is broken. Continuing. So the point is to avoid having to remember to click any sort of save or update button. It just saves automatically. So the stats block here affects other values. You can see a lot of things updated as soon as I saved this. So over here, the melee changed. You can actually see some of the skills down here changed. Right. The other values are pretty self-explanatory. There's hover text that sometimes provides more information, like on hit dice. Whoops. You probably can't see that. Anyway, there's hover text that explains some more of that. So armor class is mostly a derived value. See here. You can see that the armor box highlights green, but if I add a piece of armor, which I will right here, and I give it an AC bonus. I'll add another piece of armor. I have to reload the page for this to calculate right. I'll do that now. So you see it's updated. So armor class, you can see screen here. If you look at the armor protective items below, you can see that the AC bonus is highlighted there, so you can see how that comes about. Same effect happens if you, similar effect I guess, happens when you hover over touch and over flat-footed. So you can see, scroll down here, there's a list of skills. So each new character sheet gets a default set of skills that are present on most D&D sheets, but they can be edited and deleted. So delete these. Craft skills. Right here, you can see the list updates itself automatically. You can do things like remove spot and listen. So we find spot. And find listen. And I can just add a new skill called perception. Based on wisdom. See the drop-down box here. Break that. And now you can see perception is here. Right? Change any of this you want, so that. Okay. So feats and special abilities, you can see right here. It's really just a list of things. That you can just modify and delete. So nothing special there. So, gear is a bit fancier. So, as you can see, each item has a weight and a quantity. So, let's see. So the line weight is just based on, it's just the quantity times the weight. And you can see there's a total weight at the bottom here. Updates on the fly. So set a location. Okay. At the bottom, there's also a notes section. It's basically just a big text box. You can type whatever you want. Okay, so that's a character sheet. We've got a lot more features coming, and with your help, I can add some options for character sheets for other systems, adding more layers, and all kinds of other systems that help with tabletop online role-playing games. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.